Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Hotbit crypto account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up any web browser and head on over to Google. And now once we're here, we want to type in hotbit.io login, then hit enter. Then we'll be taken to Google search results. We need to click into the one that says help.hotbit.io. This is it here, so click into here. Once you're over at this page, it will take you to the login automatically. So now we can add in our email and password, or if you're logged in via phone, put in your phone number, make sure to use the right country code, and then put in your password, then click to verify. And if you've forgotten your password, we can go ahead and click on to submit your problem. So go ahead and click on submit your problem. Put in your email address connected to your Hotbit crypto account, and then put a request type as in do other, and then the last few numbers on the invite link of your Hotbit account is your UID. You need to put that in there too. Add the description as in you've forgotten your password, etc. Then you got to please provide your transaction ID, and then you can attach some files and click submit. And once you've done that, go back to here and simply log in with your new password.